should get 4.5 because I get one. So basically, it's gonna be Rod's turn. And Chimchard's saying that he can't beat my skull. Yeah, that's what Chimchard says. Guys, I'm gonna pick a fidget spinner. Oh, I got one. White.
What?
White.
The white fidget spinner? No.
No.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm a finisher.
What's relates to the light up fidget spinner?
I got it.
Wait.
We're gonna.
Guys, before we continue, this fidget spinner is special. You can light it up and...
Light it up, I'm on fire.
Shut up, we're gonna get copyrighted.
The next mode is
The flashy lights. This could cause a strobe.
You use this as a light.
It changes color.
Ah!
And the last mode, real quick.
This is super cool.
It's the change one. It changes colors in the middle. Watch.
It's like a rainbow. Oh, that's sick, actually.
Anyway, I got it, bro.
Wait, you have to do a victory dance.
And I got it.
Sucker. Next one. Let's go, you sucker.
This is
So,
too
here's
long.
my joke. It's
Only one word.
No.
I said that.
Okay. Spin.
Okay, no simple ones, cause that doesn't count as a hint.
In a box.
And the green one.
No.
The red and gold one.
Huh?
Red and gold.
No. It's the. What the LED one? I know that. It's sure. You got the blue one and the white one.
What do you mean? I said the blue one. It's the LED one.
Get the point. He gets the point.
Guys, I got another half a point because like we had a video of me losing, but then I kind of deleted it, and then I got this one right. So yeah.
He gets
And he's also
Can I have a multi-set? It's not. It's going to be one word.
You better choose
TV.
TV.
Yeah, TV related. On the remote.
White.
Okay.
Oh my god.